Hello everyone, welcome to A classes. So in this session we are going to discuss a previous year UPSC question that comes under GS paper 2 of Polity and Governance, and if I specifically tell you that it comes under Fundamental Rights of Indian Constitution. So let's see the question. Does the right to clean environment entitle regulation on burning crackers during Diwali? Discuss in the light of Article 21 of Indian Constitution and judgments of the Apex Court in this regard. So if you closely observe this question, the question has mainly three parts. One is Article 21, another one is the judgments of the Apex Court in this regard, and the third one is the right to clean environment. So to write a good answer, you need to have a good knowledge about Article 21, and specifically in this context, the Supreme Court on this issue didn't ban the burning of the crackers as it may be against the freedom of religion, and we all know that the freedom of religion comes under Article 25. Let's start with Article 21. The Article 21 of Indian Constitution says about the protection of life and personal liberty. It provides protection both to the citizen and non-citizens of India. In Gopalan case, the Supreme Court has taken a narrow interpretation of Article 21, and it provides protections only to the arbitrary executive action, not to the arbitrary legislative action. State can deprive right to life and personal liberty of a person based on law. So on this basis, the law should be procedure established by law, and procedure can't be questioned on the ground that the law is unreasonable, unfair and unjust. Now comes the Maneka Gandhi case of 1978. In Maneka Gandhi case, Supreme Court said that the right of life and liberty of a person can be deprived only by due process of law. There it is the procedure established by law. In Gopalan case, now in Maneka Gandhi case, the Supreme Court tells that it is due process of law. So what is this due process of law? This due process of law includes both procedure established by law, and this law should be fair and not arbitrary. And this due process of law is taken from American Constitution. Now Supreme Court said that the protection available both for the arbitrary legislative action and arbitrary executive action. Supreme Court held that Article 21 not merely confined to animal existence or survival, it also includes within its ambit the right to live with human dignity and all those aspects of life which go to make a man's life meaningful and complete and worth living. So this is about Article 21. Now comes to Article 25. Article 25 of Indian Constitution tells us about the freedom of conscience, free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Here there are four terms. One is conscience, profession, practice and religion and propagation. So we are going to discuss it one by one. The first one is concise. Concise means individual can mold his relationship with God and there will be no restriction. Profession means declaration of one's religious belief and faith openly and freely. Practice, religious worship, ritual, ceremony, performance. Propagate means transmission and dissemination of one's religious belief to other. Here there is one point that I want to make clear, that transmission and dissemination, the transmission of one's religious belief to other doesn't include a right to convert another person to one's own religion. So there is a regulation or restriction. The state can regulate this Article 25. Again, wearing and carrying of kirpans is to be included in the profession of Sikh religion. So Sikhs are allowed to wear and carry kirpans, and this right is given to them under Article 25. Now come to the question. Does the right to clean environment entitle legal regulation on burning crackers during Diwali? Discuss in the light of Article 21 of Indian Constitution and judgments of the Apex Court in this regard. So here is the model answer. Article 21, this is the introduction. Article 21 of Indian Constitution guarantees right to life and liberty. Subsequent judgments by the Apex Court, especially after Maneka Gandhi case, have enlarged its scope, and the court has pronounced that Article 21 is not merely confined to animal existence or survival, but it includes within its ambit the right to live with human dignity and make one's life meaningful, complete and worth living. It also includes right to clean environment under its ambit along with several other rights. So after the Maneka Gandhi case, in subsequent cases, the Supreme Court includes several rights, and among them one is right to clean environment. Now come to the issues with burning of crackers. With various type of crackers, the level of pollution caused is extremely high, which makes the air unbreathable and noise levels intolerable. Almost every year, Delhi and NCR region witness a spike in pollution level just after Diwali. These regions also report 30% to 40% increased cases of wheezing and respiratory diseases during and post Diwali. This has mainly harmful impact on children, aged people, and also animals and birds. Now come to the balance between right to environment that comes under Article 21 and right to religious freedom that comes under Article 25. The Apex Court in landmark MC Mehta versus Kamalnath case ruled that basic components of environment like air, water, and are essential for healthy life and therefore can't be polluted. Subsequently, the court directed to reduce the number of firecrackers, also directed that every packet should carry information regarding chemical contents. The crackers should conform to the noise standard. So these are the 3 points that the court directed. Supreme Court, while issuing guidelines, mentioned that health of people is more important and it must take precedence over any commercial and other interest. Though Article 25 of Constitution ensures freedom of conscience and right to profess, practice and propagate religion, however, it is not an absolute right and there are reasonable restrictions subject to public order, health and morality. Such judgment shouldn't be seen through the lens of religion, but they should be seen from the perspective of mature society which evolving as per requirement of time. Now come to the ban on burning cracker is not the solution. Totality of cause of pollution need to be tackled. The burning of cracker is just a 2 days event and partly contribute to the long-term pollution. Cultural sentiments, it could annoy the majority of population as bursting cracker during Diwali is a century-old tradition. In the ground level, issue of implementing these guidelines by the authorities mentioned by the Apex Court. Okay. So what are the probable solutions? Use of green crackers that are less harmful, awareness among the people regarding harmful impacts through campaigns, and involvement of civil society to bring the bottom-up changes from people's side. The best way to go about this issue is to holistically tackle the problem by implementing various guidelines along with regulating the bursting of crackers, and step to sensitize people about environmental problems is a better solution. So this is all about this answer. Thank you for watching. Click to subscribe.